Okay, that's quite interesting. What are your preparation for this class, and what are your expectations after finishing this class? Not this one particularly, but the whole session. Do you have anything that you envision in your mind regarding what we are planning to reach to after finishing this class?
Well, first of all, earlier English, and I was more fluent
Mm-hmm.
at the college time and a few years after graduation. So I think I lost this fluency because I didn't use it ever after. Not at the hospital, not at the primary care
Mm-hmm.
center, not at the ministry. So
Okay.
I'm expecting to getting back to this point.
Mm-hmm. I see that, and I'm really hoping that we can come up with a plan
Me
for
too.
improving your English skills and improving your ability to resuscitate the level that you that you reached at some point in your life. What I want you to do is simply write the content here on this essay, and try to make sure that you keep in mind that there are uh, certain words that you need to embed that are related to your agreement or disagreement. If you agree that cars have more advantages than disadvantages, you can just simply uh, state your opinion according to that. If you have opinion that is against that and you think that cars disadvantages outweigh cars advantages, you can develop that by writing content that supports this kind of statement. What I do recommend is reading the essay that I sent you in the beginning, and um, see how they structure their essay. And I guarantee you, it's going to take some time uh, to be able to process writing effectively. It's multiple drafts. Usually, with my learners, I go 3 or 4 or 5 drafts to get to a satisfactory level where I give them a good grade, and that takes a little bit of time and patience, of course. So just keep that in mind that it's not always necessarily the first draft that gets you the most compelling result, and
Yes.
it's very normal to have general weaknesses in the essay in the draft, and it's very normal to you know um, struggle in the beginning. But once you get to understand the structure, you, the whole process is going to be very natural and very straightforward and very clear. Okay. Now, at this point, what I want you to do is between now and tonight, I just want you to focus on writing the introduction, just the introduction, which is about um, 7 to 10 lines. Let's just say that maximum. Write it here, and when you finish writing it, just send me a text message saying, "Well, I finished it. I will give you comments. We will do some changes,
Okay.
and then we will talk about it. If you are available tonight, we can talk about it more."
Can I have much more example?
Oh yeah, I will
Say much more.
definitely. I'll send you more. I'll send you more. I just
Oh,
didn't want to
yeah, that would
over.
be great.
I didn't want to overwhelm you with many samples here. I thought that one sample is going to be enough. But if you prefer more, these are two more that I just.
Okay, tomorrow enough.
Okay. Okay, I just sent you two more.
Okay.
Perfect. And one last thing. You mentioned that you live in Rubai Street, correct? Close to Rubai Street.
This is my parents' house, and Jaffar's house is near Al Mansour.
Okay, perfect. Now, when is Jafar going to be available for a face-to-face meeting?
I'm gonna ask him. I don't know.
Okay, well, just if you can, just ask him and get back to me so we can get face-to-face with Jafar to meet him. And then get me back once you finish the introduction here. Okay, great. Hopefully that this meeting was useful to you to get you to a better, at least 1% better in terms of understanding the structure of writing. And we're getting there. I promise you, it's going to be a little bit struggling in the beginning, but we'll get to a level of understanding the whole structure of writing. And also, I will send you one chapter of a book. I want you to, whenever you have time, to read this one chapter, just one chapter. And we will talk about it in more details in our next meeting. Sounds good?